So, you want to set a new combination on your master lock? I got you! Master Lock is a very common brand for security in the USA, so lots of folks use them. First, know that not all master locks can have their combination changed. Many classic dial locks have a permanent combination set at the factory. If your lock is one of these, you unfortunately cannot change it. For master locks that are designed to be resettable, you must first open the lock using its current combination. A common method for resettable padlocks involves opening the shackle, then rotating it 90 or 180 degrees and pressing it down into the lock body. While holding it down, you set your new desired combination on the dials. Then you pull the shackle back up and it should be set. Other models like luggage locks might have a small reset button or lever. Some even require a special reset tool that came with the lock. Always check the original instructions or the Master Lock website for the exact steps for your specific model to do it correctly. And that's it.